Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make gourmet marshmallows, a delightful treat that's surprisingly simple to create at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients, including unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and pure vanilla extract. You'll also need a stand mixer, a reliable candy thermometer, and a 9x13-inch baking pan. Remember to prepare your pan by greasing it and dusting it with a blend of powdered sugar and cornstarch. This prevents sticking. Now, let's get started with the first crucial steps. Begin by blooming your gelatin. Simply sprinkle it evenly over 1/2 cup of cold water in the bowl of your stand mixer. Let it sit undisturbed for at least 5 minutes to fully hydrate. While that's blooming, combine 2 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and another 1/2 cup of water in a sturdy saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Next, we'll bring our syrup to the perfect temperature. Place your candy thermometer into the sugar mixture, making sure it doesn't touch the bottom of the pan. Continue to cook the syrup, without stirring, until it reaches precisely 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it hits that temperature, carefully and slowly pour the hot syrup into the bloomed gelatin in your stand mixer, which should be running on low speed. Then, increase the speed to high and whip the mixture for about 12 to 15 minutes, until it's wonderfully thick and glossy. To finish, we'll add that signature flavor. During the final minute of whipping, incorporate 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Once whipped, immediately pour the fluffy marshmallow mixture into your prepared pan, smoothing the top with an offset spatula. Let these beauties set at room temperature for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Finally, dust a clean cutting surface with more powdered sugar and cornstarch. Then cut your gourmet marshmallows into delightful 1-inch squares. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.